In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook login error in 8-ball pool. The process is simple, so before we begin, first make sure you're connected with the internet. And once you're connected with the internet, all I want you to do is to click and hold your 8-ball pool app for few seconds. Now once you click and hold on it, you will see the option that says App Info. Click on App Info. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Now click on Storage and Cache. Now all you need to do here is to click on Clear Cache and clear your cache. Once you are done clearing your cache, go back and click and hold on Facebook app for few seconds. You will see the option that says App Info. Click on App Info. Now all you need to do here is to click on Storage and Cache again, then click on Clear Cache. Once you clear your cache, go back and open 8-ball pool app. Once you have opened 8-ball pool app, all you need to do here now is to click on Login with Facebook. If you click on it, the problem has not been solved. All you need to do is to hold on till Facebook solve it. So you just need to wait for Facebook. This problem is from Facebook, not 8-ball pool app. So just hold on few hours. Facebook will solve the problem. So that's it. If this video helped you out, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.